Hey guys, it's Asa, and today I'm going to be making that trendy, fluffy coffee thing. Dalgona, I think it said. Coffee. Yeah, cloud coffee, all the name. I know I'm kind of late on the trend, but I planned to make this video a while ago and I didn't have the opportunity to. But now I finished school and nobody's home, so I can like film in the kitchen. And that's what we're gonna do today. I mean, you've probably seen a bunch of people already make this, but I'm your average Joe, and I kind of want to see how easy it is for someone who is not like a barista type of makes fancy drinks all the time person. I like baking and I like cooking, but I don't make a lot of like fancy drinks, especially coffees. I don't drink coffee regularly. I do like drinking it sometimes, but not all the time. Also, you can probably hear them. I have like 2 birds over there, and so they'll be peep 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 in the back. I tune it out, so I probably won't even notice it while I'm like doing stuff insane stuff unless they get super loud, but I'm sorry if that annoys you. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be following this recipe I first saw on YouTube. I watched a couple other ones and looked at the recipe variations, but I think I'm going to try and stick with this one. It makes a little bit more of the fluffy coffee stuff, I think. Dalgona. The YouTube video is 3-ingredient, easy, frothy coffee, Dalgona coffee, quarantine coffee challenge. It's by J'adore. I think I'm probably gonna say that ugly. I don't speak French. J'adore.
J'adore.
I guess they're like also one of the Korean like recipe cooking channels because it's the Hangul but for the J'adore part, and it's J'adore. I don't know if I'm saying that right either. My Korean pronunciation sucks. Well, yeah. Don't judge me too hard. Technically, there's 4 ingredients. Milk, which is in the fridge over there. Instant coffee. Some water. This is a little bit too much, but I gotta heat up in the microwave. And sugar. Crusty container. Why is my nose... The lighting in here sucks for my nose. But a fun fact, this instant espresso coffee, I've had it since middle school. First recipe that I made it for was like some chocolate like Reese's peanut butter cake. And I remember that because I was making the cake with one of my best friends and she loves Reese's. That's like her favorite candy. I think it still is. Like, we had talked a while, but I think you know who you are if you've ever seen this video. So yeah, I've had this forever. As you can see, it's stuck to the bottom, so I'll get that off, but it lasts a long time, so yeah, that's great. You can film me actually making it now. I've like talked about it for too long. First, I'm gonna loosen up these little granules. Normally I go ahead and start heating the water, but I don't want the microwave background noise to be in this. Is this ASMR? I always ask that. I always wonder. Probably not with all the glass clinking around. I don't know if you can see, but there's some chunks I can't get out. Where'd the other chunk go? There it is. Okay. I think that's loosened up enough for now. Next, I'm just gonna shove this in the microwave. Just 2 minutes to get it hot. Now you stop freaking hot. Dinging. Alright. Now we're gonna mix. I'm using a glass bowl that, I don't know, might be too small, but all the cooking YouTubers use glass bowls. So I want to too. So this recipe calls for equal parts of coffee, sugar, and, well, not quite equal, of water, but I saw other recipes do a 1-1-1 ratio, and this one does 5 teaspoons of coffee powder and sugar, and then 4 of water. I'm adding in 1 tablespoon. That's 1 and 2 to equal 5 teaspoons. Same thing with the sugar. A tablespoon. You can't do that. That's professional, right? Knock it off on the counter to get all the dust from the other one off. 2 more teaspoons. 4 teaspoons of the hot water. Why am I talking like that? Okay, 3 teaspoons. Like I said, very professional in this kitchen. And 1 more. And you know what? I'm gonna do that much extra. This is the smallest whisk I have. I do have a hand mixer, but you know what? I'm gonna do this the hard way to really test my arm strength. Look at this artsy shot. I kind of like this. What up? You can't even see my face. Just to let you know, I'm gonna set a stopwatch to see how long this takes, because some people were like, do it for so many minutes, do it until your arm breaks off. I'm going to actually, can I set it right here for you to, no, you will not see. Oh, you will see this. Now I just whip it and we'll see how long it takes to get the right consistency. Only 1 minute in and look how much it's already like changed color. Look how much is lightened at 232, and I'm already getting this kind of texture. This is not too hard to do by hand. Maybe if you were making a lot. I need to put a thing under here. Ugly little thing under here so it stops and the counter so ugly sounding. It's kind of a, yeah, look how thick that is. Maybe a little bit more. Still a little bit runny. I think this is about the consistency that was in the video I'm going off of, but I watched another one and they did it to where they had like a little bit more stiffer peaks than this. So I guess you could stop here around like 5 minutes, but I mean, if you're whisking quite vigorously. But I think if you want it to get like really stiff, then you're gonna need to do it more. This is at about 7 minutes. I think this is good enough for me. I mean, but I'll go to a full 8 minutes and see the texture. I don't think it's gonna change that much, honestly. This is what it looks like at 8 minutes. Look, I feel like it's the right consistency from what I've seen. I'm honestly a little bit sweaty and hot. Like, that's a little bit of an arm workout. I'm wearing a sweater too. It's hot. I think this is a good texture, and this is what it looks like. I don't know, the camera settings I had earlier, I changed them because they were very warm toned. So this is like a more like accurate color of it. Ooh, let me see if we can get another aesthetic shot. Okay, I like that. I don't have any like trendy, cute, cool shaped glasses, but I have this one with an interesting pattern to make it look fancy. And this particular video, oh, my hair looks crusty. They're using, looks like cold milk. I don't know if there's ice in there. I saw some people do ice, and I like drinks cold, so I'm gonna do some just cold milk. This video, there's a 2/3 to 1/3 ratio of the milk. 2/3 milk, 1/3 that. Here we go. With milk pouring. Why aren't you focusing? Okay, there we go. Ooh. Just a little milk pouring. Oh my gosh, I suck. Maybe a little bit more milk. I have this little thing. Maybe I might use that to mix it or something. I don't know. Or a chopstick. That works just as well. I don't have any straws, okay? Or this interesting spoon, but I need to wash it. This one looks nasty. Actually, psych, this is a cool spoon, but I'm not gonna use it because it's silver plated and I think it's a little bit tarnished, so. What do I use to make it look cute? A mini knife or a little spoon? You know what? I need to stop this nonsense and just use this to scoop it out. I kinda wanna taste it by itself. Ew, that was a really ugly angle. Oh, quite the coffee taste. Kind of strong. Is instant coffee the same as instant, what is this? What is this? Is it espresso coffee? A different marketing strategy to put espresso in the name when it's no different from regular instant coffee? I don't know. Oh, I need to put milk. What am I doing? I don't need this anymore. It's ugly. Ruining my shot. Come on. Well, that might be ugly, whatever. Oh my gosh, I didn't put enough milk, did I? Oh my gosh, it's not gonna fill it up. Slip it in the side. Yeet. I feel like I should use a recipe with like a little bit more fluff to it. Or maybe a smaller cup. But the cups other people were using looked really big. Ugh, so angry now. I'm kidding. That doesn't look terrible. But hide that. That is gone. The first Dalgona frothy coffee. I'm excited. I don't know why I keep doing that. This overall was easier than I thought it would be. Should I use this? Yeah, I want to make it cool. Okay, and now to do the little iconic shot of stirring it up. Whoa. Whoa. Maybe this thing was not the smartest move. Yeah, I don't think so. Never mind. Why did I do this? I should just use a spoon. Stir, 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 stir. Well, I think the point is to kind of have a straw, maybe, so this will mix. This is disgusting. Now to like actually taste this thing. Ooh, but it turned a nice caramel color. Oh, there's a straw. I think this is clean. I don't know. It smells fruity. Well, I'll still use it to taste. Well, definitely put ice in your milk because this milk was not the coldest. I don't know. Using a straw doesn't really work either. It just tastes like milk. What the heck? So I'm gonna go ahead and use this thing to stir it up the rest of the way. Maybe that'll do something better with it. Okay, so now it looks like this. Woo! Ugly in the top. This is kind of sort of disappointing. I think it's a little bit disappointing because I thought it was gonna be sweeter. It's not bad, but it's definitely a stronger coffee taste. It's not terrible, but like definitely it's just coffee and milk. Anyway, I don't even know what the heck I was saying. I had kind of a dumb expectation. It's very, very coffee tasting. Might just be me, but I would definitely like mix in all the foam because, or the way I kind of mixed it, like it's kind of like a weird texture to me. You're drinking milk, but then you get like tendrils of foam. It tastes better like this because I was just tasting straight up milk before. So overall, this was like a really fun experience and I'm glad I tried making like a different kind of coffee drink. He will not shut up, okay. Nathan. Okay, it's cute, it's aesthetic. I do like it, but I'd have to be in the mood for more of a strong coffee taste. Oh, it's a lot better now that it's dissolved. But I'm still kind of not the fan of instant coffee taste either. On a 1 to 10 scale, I think I would rate this like a 6.5 maybe. If you're a coffee drinker and you don't like a lot of sweetness and stuff like that, you'll definitely like it more than I do. Ew, that looks so bad from that side. And it look okay, let me just set this down. I'm rambling as I do in every video when it's nearing the end, but thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about this, just leave them in the comments or any other comments, or if you want me to do more videos on Dalgona coffee or baking and stuff like that, I would be happy to do that. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.